Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect a Birdfy camera to Wi-Fi, set up and troubleshoot the network connection. So guys, to connect Birdfy camera to the Wi-Fi, so guys, first of all prepare your phone and the camera. Verify your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and charge your Birdfy camera using include USB Type-C cable until full charge. Then guys, download the Birdfy app from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and create an account. Then put the camera into the pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the camera. Double press the power button to enter the Wi-Fi mode. You will hear a periodic chime sound and the LED should begin flashing blue. Then guys, open the app. Click the option of plus icon in the bottom right corner and select your specified device in the model. And depending on your model, you will be either use the Bluetooth or the QR code for the pairing. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and wait for the app to detect your Birdfy camera to pair, and then select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. And QR code method, you follow the prompts to input your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password in the app. A QR code will generate on screen. Hold your phone screen 5 to 15 centimeter in the front of the camera lens until you hear the prompts. Okay, then guys, finalize the setup. Wait for the flashing blue light to turn solid, indicate a successful connection. Name your device, set your location for the AI bird identification and begin the bird watching. So guys, thank you.